Q2 refers to the second quarter of the year, which typically covers the months of April, May, and June. During this time, there are several opportunities for selling t-shirts that one can tap into. I will be going over 10 niches for Q2 2023. Number 1. Autism Awareness. April is Autism Awareness Month, and this is a niche that sells well every year. Blue is a color for autism awareness, so incorporate it into your designs. This design literally explains it, and it is a phrase that sells well every year. You can also apply it to other niches like in October we wear pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Upload your designs to blue shirts only to stand out amongst the mostly black shirts in the search results. Also think of designing specifically for moms or relatives who would like to support their family by wearing an autism awareness shirt. You can also design for someone who has autism like this "I'm not misbehaving, I have autism, please be understanding" shirt. This design is clever in that it has more utility than most of the novelty shirts we are selling. Think of how you can make designs that serve a further purpose than simply being clothing. Number 2. Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo is a large holiday niche for selling shirts online. Cinco de Mayo refers to May 5th in Spanish, and designs will start selling a few months before that date. It is a Mexican-American holiday, so incorporate that design style with elements such as sombreros, acoustic guitars, maracas, chilies, and Mexican food. Let's fiesta means let's party in Spanish. Use Spanish phrases and words in your designs. T-shirts in Spanish have less competition and are capable of making sales easily. It is also a party holiday, so don't forget to make beer designs. Mexican food such as tacos, nachos, burritos are often incorporated into designs. You can create scale designs. For instance, you can switch mom with dad, aunt, uncle, son, and get 5 designs instead of 1. Tacos are the most popular food, so try to cross niche in order to stand out. There are already tons of dabbing taco shirts, but combining it with a low competition phrase, graphic, or food can possibly sell. These can also sell year-round and not necessarily only for the holiday. Number 3. Easter. Easter shirts can come in a variety of designs such as featuring Easter eggs, bunnies, chicks, spring flowers, or religious symbols like crosses or doves. They can also include fun and playful slogans or phrases, making them perfect for both adults and children to wear during spring. Gnomes are another popular niche to combine with Easter. They are also popular during Christmas. Dinosaurs will work with just about most niches. I see many designs for teachers and nurses, so look into targeting these professions first. This shirt is about students, but for a teacher to wear. Excavator is a popular one that kids love and sells every year. As with most holidays, you should try to improve on the existing designs with better graphics or unique phrases related to the holiday. Number 4. Mother's Day. Mother's Day is another large niche for selling shirts in Q2 and one of my most profitable niches in the past years. Most of the successful Mother's Day shirts continue to sell year-round. This mom of 2 boys design is currently selling well with a BSR number of 274,051. You can do other variations such as 2 girls or 1 girl, or 2 boys, or anything else. Getting specific may help you stand out from all of the Mother's Day designs. Best Mom Ever is a scalable design that you can scale out to every family member or profession and title. There is a ton of competition on this type of design, but this was uploaded less than a year ago and is getting constant sales. So there is a possibility to break through and get a successful design that continues to sell consistently for years. Think of making shirts for a first-time mom. There are many ideas that can be created around that. Think of how to design for a specific mother and not just all mothers in general. Baseball will be starting around Q2, so combining baseball with any of these niches may work. Number 5. Summer 2023. Summer shirts will start to sell in Q2 in anticipation of the season. Design shirts for vacations, trips, beaches, and relaxing. Sunglasses, palm trees, and beach designs are the most popular for this niche. Tank tops sell well during summer, so always upload designs to tanks and every other product while you're at it. Christmas in July is a trend that sells during summer. Here's an example of a tank. Think of matching designs for people to wear on trips and vacations. Crew Squad 2023 is an example of these matching shirts for groups to wear. Adding the year will make you stand out, but it will also make it less evergreen since it won't make sense to buy it in 2024. 6. Memorial Day. Memorial Day honors those who lost their lives while defending the United States, and these designs sell well around May. Most designs use the colors of the American flag and have a military aesthetic. This design is scaled out for the different conflicts. This is one I would be more careful with, and I would stay away from current events. Always remember to check for trademarks and research your niche. Happy Memorial Day is a phrase that can be debated because some believe that it is inappropriate to attribute a happy connotation to this day. However, this shirt is selling and has positive reviews. Designs thanking the military for their service can be a more evergreen niche that can be appropriate year-round. Find a graphic or angle to differentiate yourself from all of the other thank you shirts. Also think of other people that you can thank with a t-shirt. Number 7. Graduation. School graduations begin in June and many people buy designs for the special event. Some designs are for the parents and some are for the students. This one added an additional funny phrase that has made it stand out from the generic graduation tees. You can design shirts for students to wear the entire semester instead of for one day. This is another dabbing design. This time it is a student dabbing. Hashtag done is a clever approach with the hashtag phrase. What are some other hashtags that could be appropriate for a school graduation? Research funny and unique hashtags to make some shirts. Number 8. Father's Day. Father's Day shirts also sell extremely well. Father's Day is on June 18 and shirts will begin to sell about a month before. Like Mother's Day, most of the successful Father's Day designs continue to sell year-round. Like this funny design that currently has a BSR of 130,161. Text-only designs sell well for Father's Day, but adding a graphic can always make you stand out. This Best Dad Ever design has an American flag and is a simple example of adding a graphic to a text design to target a specific customer. This vertical flag with a text replacing the stripes is a common style that you can use to make patriotic designs in other niches. As opposed to holidays like Easter and Cinco de Mayo, Father's Day designs do seem to be simpler because they target older males. This design is also a simple athletic text with a paw graphic. Sometimes these are the designs that sell better than the most complex, colorful ones. 9. Pride Month. Pride Month is in June and this is another trending niche throughout the entire month and year-round. Pride shirts can be a great way for people to show support for the LGBT. Rainbows are a symbol of gay pride and should be incorporated into some designs. You can make designs for allies and others who want to support. Research the multiple flags and symbols used to incorporate them into your designs. There are more than 40 flags associated with these movements, so find one and make shirts or scale all of them out. And number 10, sports. Sports are popular year-round and a great niche to combine with other niches. In March, we have March Madness, which is a college basketball tournament known for its exciting games and energy. This is a large event that goes on the entire month and shirts will sell as a result. Remember not to mention the NCAA or March Madness to avoid any copyright infringement. Find unique phrases to make in order to stand out from the thousands of basketball and baseball designs. Also combine with other niches or holidays like this one combining St. Patrick's Day and baseball. You can combine with the other niches in this video by making Autism, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and Pride baseball shirts. Think of uploading designs for the parents and the kids who play sports. Sports designs with numbers can be used for birthday designs or to represent a player's number. Again, think of utility and how you can sell a shirt to an entire baseball team. These 10 profitable niches for selling shirts in Q2 2023 are trends or holidays that you can sell year-round. Find unique angles in these specific markets to stand out in a crowded market and design them to sell for the next coming years. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.